Let's talk about how amazing the screen is on the OnePlus 12. OnePlus really stepped it up with this phone by giving it a fantastic 6.82-inch QHD plus 2K OLED LTPO display. What's really cool is that it has a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling and playing games feel incredibly seamless. What's even more impressive is that the OnePlus 12's display got a top-notch DisplayMate A+ certification, showing just how great its quality and performance are. It also comes with awesome features like Dolby Vision, 10-bit color depth, Pro XDR, and 2160Hz PWM dimming, making everything you see look amazing. But the best part is its incredible 4500 nits of peak brightness, making it one of the brightest smartphone displays out there. Whether you're outside on a sunny day or in a dark room, the OnePlus 12's screen makes everything super clear and detailed. And if that wasn't enough, it even has Rain Touch support, so the screen works great even if it's wet. OnePlus really went all out to give us not just a stunning display, but also a super immersive and responsive experience, showing why they're leading the pack in display technology.